All right, so let's see how easy this works. Nice. Hey, today we are reviewing this mini chainsaw. Let's go ahead and unbox it and show you everything you get. Okay. They give you some gloves, a cleaning brush, a manual. The saw blade comes already put on, which is really nice. Nice little sheath to protect the top from your hand slipping or touching the top. Nice protective on the bottom. I like that a lot. That's real nice. Nice safety feature. So you can't press the trigger unless you press the button in. And then you can press the trigger. You can access your chain by twisting this piece off. Make sure it's tight before you first use it. Very nice. They give you a long screwdriver tool. You have your power adapter, which just takes a regular 2-prong outlet, safety glasses, a spare chain, and they give you 2 batteries, 24-volt batteries. Placing the batteries inside is so simple, just like that. Okay, why don't we test it out? All right, so let's see how easy this works. Nice. Well, that was pretty simple. So you definitely want to hold the branch with one hand, or else it kind of like grabs and pulls the branch towards you. So definitely hold it with one hand. So that's what happens after a little bit of time. So you just want to pull out the branches. But yeah, it does work. Seemed to work pretty good. It does seem to stop sometimes. Like when it hits too much resistance, it kind of like grips and stops. But for the most part, it's pretty nice.